What the heck is Death of a Notion? On Death of a Notion, we will focus on ideas, and pretty much if there is anything that is potentially wrong with the idea, we will bring in as much information as possible and be able to answer it with near 100%-ish certainty. We try to leave no minor loopholes unnoticed, and if we find something that can be objectively or logically refuted, we exterminate the notion. Yo! But of course, no notion is worthy of being completely annihilated, so we will take the whole of an idea and extract what is good out of it, poke holes in that what is bad, and hopefully create a whole new idea surrounding the topic that we will be talking about for that week. Bring life to the internet. You can bounce your ideas off of us on various social media websites as well. Other than YouTube, we have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and Patreon as well. So please watch this channel from behind a computer or a phone screen so that you can partake in the discussion. And here is my intro for I was inspired by the idea of combining the idea of the left wing and right wing of political ideology with the left and right wings of a plane. Like, for real, why would someone want to be on the wings of a plane whenever there is a perfectly safe rocket cabin right in the middle? It's kind of dangerous on the wings if you think about it. What the plane analogy is saying is that the notions considered by both sides need to be deeply reconsidered whenever they are faced with nearly irrefutable counter-arguments. So this channel is the death of a notion, not the death of an ocean. We do not promote plastic bottles, companies that accidentally spill oil, seafood, or global warming in any way on this channel. I would like to go ahead and name this ultra-logical and elite group of people who are not Vulcans sea creatures. Sea creatures live in the notion ocean. You know, you may ask yourself, why is this white boy of heterosexual orientation asking all these questions about the notions that I hold so dear? Well, the short answer comes in two parts. One, because of the golden rule, and two, because I also decided to ponder about some of my deeply held beliefs. I wanted to use my skills and intellect to present in a predetermined and edited way my counter notions to lovingly present to friends and family why I currently think differently from them. So because I personally would want someone to tell me with rationality and reason in a loving manner why the way I think about a topic is wrong, I will now be that loving voice of reason saying, honey, you're wrong. If you would like to become more enlightened, depressed, or enraged with us, depending on your previous notions, please do us a giddy and check us out in a super not sexual kind of way. Unless you do check us out in a super sexual kind of way, you might need to speak to a therapist about that. So like, subscribe, and kumbaya, mother duckers. What is a mother ducker? A mother ducker is one who is a quack, and you want those who are quacks to chill out so that they don't go quacking all over your comment section. So if you want to quack all over our comment section, kumbaya, mother duckers. You like our logo? I really like our logo. I think it's the real shiznit. I mean, a skull coming out of a light bulb, the symbol of death superimposed on the symbol of ideas.